Again, but just
Hi, today is the 5th of November and it's bonfire night in Guildford, and all of us are walking through a torch procession to the top of the hill to see fireworks. And as you can see, be careful, behind me there are many people. So over here in Guildford, they celebrate bonfire night on the 5th of November, where everyone walks through a torch procession to commemorate an event. And this is my very first bonfire night, and
tell us about the event.
thank you.
Nonsense.
Yeah.